We have to stay here and hide to spy on them to see what they do really. Make sure Floyd's not beating up Ralph. Don't worry people, this is just a teaching cage. They get to go in there and look for bugs and just do magpie things. Okay, because Ralph is a bit small to be flying around the backyard by himself. And that cage is getting shifted today up here. So I don't like it in the chicken yard. It's too far away. It's hard to monitor. You're okay, mate? Thinks it's his mum. Oh, poor Floyd. See, he can't fly at all, man. He corkscrews. Looking at his food. See, he's eating his food off his plate. Ralph eats a little.